Welcome to our coloring tutorial.
Today, we will be drawing and coloring Bubble Puppy from Bubble Guppies. Let's get started. Start by outlining Bubble Puppy's body with black color. Remember, he's a cute little fish with big, expressive eyes. Finally, finish off by coloring in his full body. And there you have it, your very own Bubble Puppy. Thanks for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun and creative videos.
With magic hat.